Good evening, how are you?
Hi, good evening. I am fine. Nice to see you.
Are you super nervous?
Yeah, this is my first time.
And who are you? What is your name?
I am Nansoy from Philippines.
And what is your talent?
I am here with my two brothers, and by the way, we are triplets, and we will be showing you the newly discovered talents of Filipinos. This is called Lato-Lato or Lato-Lato.
Ooh, that sounds very nice. I don't think we've ever had anything like that before. Okay, the stage is yours. Have fun. And hopefully we have some fun with you. Wow! I mean, you guys were so amazingly in sync and with so much grace. I thought it was fantastic.
Thank you.
Sophia, what did you think?
I think that kind of synchronization, it's, amazing to me. It's spectacular.
Thank you.
Isn't it reminding me of my golden buzzer last year, the Mayas? But you guys have your own style, and I thought it was magnificent.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I was mesmerized. I find what you do hypnotic, and I think it's very original, and I find it almost more magnificent. And the movements are smaller, but perfect. You know, it blew me away.
Thank you. Thank you.
Even sitting here, you want to do something. I just want to do, I don't know how to, I don't know. Oh!